How to fix Roblox white screen when joining game. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to fix Roblox white screen when joining game. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, what we need to do is to just head over to our browser and make sure that we don't have any extensions installed that will block us on our Roblox. That includes some ad blocker and stuffs like that. So to check our extensions, you just need to click on this three dots right here, click on extensions, click on manage extensions, and from in there you can see the extensions that you have. So from in there you can remove some extensions that may be hindering you when you are playing Roblox. So for example, Foxify right here, just click on remove, and then click on remove again in order to remove that extension. Then as you can see, it has been removed. So just remove an extension that will hinder you and you're fine. So the next thing you can do is to head over to your task manager. So let's head over to your task manager right here by clicking on the search bar right here. So let's just wait for this to load. And from in there, we can just search for task manager. Task manager. So let's click on open right here. And then this will open our task manager. So from in there, you can see the apps that are currently open right now. So just click on the Roblox game client, and after that, click on end task in order to properly do it. So the next thing you can do is update the driver. So to update your driver, you can just search for device manager right here. So this is a device manager. So just click on open, and this will open this specific window right here. So what you need to do is to just update the graphic driver of your computer. So it depends on what graphics you have. If you have NVIDIA or AMD, you can just actually update that on that specific device. But if you don't have that, then you can click on computer, then right click on it, and click on update driver in order to successfully update it. So the last method includes searching for Roblox in here. So what we need to do is to check the compatibility of Roblox on your computer. So click on open file location right here, then right click on the specific Roblox player, and then from there open file location, and then right click again, and then click on properties, and then click on compatibility right here. You can run the compatibility troubleshooter if you're unsure, but I recommend run this program as administrator. So just check that, click on apply, and then click on OK in order to save your progress. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to fix Roblox white screen when joining game. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.